The DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to make waves in the drone industry, with rumors of significant advancements over its predecessors. Expected to launch in 2025, this compact drone could raise the bar for performance and portability, catering to both hobbyists and professionals. At the heart of the excitement is the rumored upgraded camera system. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a 1-inch sensor, a leap forward from the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in earlier models. This enhancement promises improved image quality with better dynamic range and reduced noise, particularly in low-light settings. Coupled with the ability to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second, the Mini 5 Pro could deliver visuals that rival those of more expensive drones, cementing its place in the market. Storage is another area where DJI might address user demands. The Mini 4 Pro offered a modest 2 GB of internal storage, which left some pilots dependent on external memory cards. Many speculate the Mini 5 Pro will feature at least 8 GB of internal memory, providing more flexibility for on-the-go footage capture. This upgrade would be a welcome change for users who frequently shoot high-resolution videos or need quick access to storage without additional equipment. Flight time has long been a priority for drone enthusiasts, and the Mini 5 Pro could offer meaningful improvements. While the Mini 4 Pro's intelligent battery plus extended flight duration to some degree, it wasn't a game-changer. Reports suggest the Mini 5 Pro will deliver up to 40 minutes of flight time per charge, enabling pilots to explore more and focus on creative pursuits without the constant need to swap batteries. In terms of pricing, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to remain competitive, with an estimated range of $750 to $800 for the base model. This approach positions it as a mid-tier option, combining advanced features with affordability. By balancing price and performance, DJI is likely aiming to appeal to a broad audience, from casual users to semi-professionals. Some enthusiasts might question whether such improvements are realistic for a mid-segment drone. However, if the rumored upgrades, such as the larger sensor, extended flight time, and increased storage, prove true, the Mini 5 Pro could blur the line between consumer-grade and professional drones. It has the potential to set new standards in the compact drone category, offering exceptional value for its size and price. DJI's strategy of releasing frequent updates reflects its commitment to staying ahead in a fiercely competitive market. The Mini 5 Pro represents a chance to surpass expectations and strengthen DJI's dominance by addressing the needs of an ever-evolving user base. As the drone industry advances, the Mini 5 Pro may play a pivotal role in shaping the future of portable drones. Whether you're a hobbyist capturing scenic landscapes or a professional needing a lightweight yet powerful tool, this drone promises to deliver an impressive blend of innovation and practicality. With anticipation building, all eyes are on DJI as the release date approaches, setting the stage for what could be a milestone in compact drone technology.